In the search of prevention, I express to you the following. On any highway travel, I have seen per years insects reached by the vehicle that died by impact on the windshield. But in last times, this phenomena is not seen no more. In current days, you can wait for cars all along any highway, in collecting points or gas stations, and you can see there are no insects impact at the windshield or too few. The emerging questions are: do insects not fly on the highways anymore? Are there new invisible bridges for insects? Or the amount of insects has dropped down so much that now it's difficult to find them on the road? The answer is that the amount of insects has dropped down dramatically. Insects are an essential link in the life ecosystems. Not only bees are important for human survival. We probably shouldn't kill insects anymore. A very similar case is for birds' populations, which migratory flocks are every day smaller or disappear. I invite to serious researchers and institutions to verify if I'm wrong in these observations.